What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get free COD points for COD Mobile, Warzone and Modern Warfare, so basically any of the COD games. And this is a simple redeemable code that when you claim it within the store or on the website, it's going to credit your COD account 10,000 COD points. Now usually you have to obviously purchase these COD points, and 10,000 costs around $100 US. So this method is pretty cool because it's actually so easy, and you're going to get free CP for COD. And yeah, it's super easy. So I'm going to run through these steps in this tutorial on how you can go ahead and get your free COD points in 2023. So basically guys, you need to grab your mobile phone and open up the internet, and you need to basically go to this website guys, www.speedycoupons.com. so you got to type it like that and go to that website, and it's speedycoupons.com. And basically this website specializes in providing you coupon codes and gift card codes for various different things. You can see there's tons of different pages on this homepage. So if you go to this search bar at the top, you can just type in COD points and it should just pop up like so. So tap to open the COD points page. And these are COD points redeem codes. You can see these codes are somewhat limited, so you got to make sure you get on this quick to ensure you secure your COD points code. Scroll down and you can see there is the 10,000 free COD points code there. There's also a battle pass if you want to do that, but let's tap on this free COD points. So you got to press show code here. And you can see this 10,000 free COD points, and it's given us just the start of the code. We need to basically unlock the full code. So tap unlock code. This takes around a few seconds just to do this step. Okay, so now you should see this screen, and don't panic guys, this is completely normal and it's super easy. We just basically need to follow the instructions and complete 2 of these tasks here, and they're all completely free, and this will verify you are not a robot. Basically people create robots to steal all of the COD points codes, so this is just a way to protect them. So basically guys, we just need to complete 2 of these tasks, and you can see below each task there is a description. So for example, this top one says fill in your personal details and confirm. Alternatively, you can choose, say, this family island. It says download then complete level 8. Coin Master, download this app and complete level 3 village within 3 days. So basically you just got to choose 2 of these that you think are going to be the easiest. I prefer doing these sort of survey type ones because they're pretty quick and they're super easy. Just need to enter in, oops, let's go back, what have I done there? Just need to sort of answer the questions and enter in any information such as your email it asks for. So let me go ahead and complete both of these. Let me open up a second one. This one here is another survey. Let me just answer these questions, and I have to input my email and stuff in here. So let me do both of these off camera because I can see we're already at 4 minutes, and I'll be back once I've done those. Okay guys, so I just completed both of those tasks that I showed you there, just making sure you fully complete 2 of them. Like I say, you can just choose any 2 of the ones on the list here and just fully complete them. They're pretty easy. It took me a couple of minutes to do those 2 survey type ones. So once you've done those, I'm going to go to my tabs and then go back to this page here, and it's now released my 10,000 free COD points code. So like I say, this is a simple redeemable code that when you redeem it within the COD store, it's going to credit your account 10,000 COD points, and you can spend them across the entire store on anything that you want, be it skins or battle passes and what have you. That is how easy it is, guys. These codes are only one-time use, so one of you can actually grab this because I'm not going to use it. However, you're going to need to go to speedycoupons.com and get your very own free COD points code. If you need any help obtaining your code, just leave a comment below and I can help you out. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and guys, let me know what did you spend your 10,000 free COD points on. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.